Break your back. To work extremely hard. He broke his back to finish the project on time. He broke his back preparing for the exam. Cry your heart out. To cry a lot and release strong emotions. The child cried his heart out when he fell. He cried his heart out after hearing the news. Foot the bill. To pay the cost or expenses. Who will foot the bill for dinner? The company footed the bill for the trip. Have a big mouth. To talk too much or reveal secrets. He has a big mouth and tells everyone everything. Don't tell her. She has a big mouth. Hold your tongue. To stop yourself from speaking. It's better to hold your tongue sometimes. He held his tongue despite being angry. Lend an ear. To listen carefully and sympathetically. She kindly lent an ear to my problem. A good friend will always lend an ear. Have itchy feet. To feel a strong desire to travel. He has itchy feet and loves traveling. She got itchy feet and moved abroad. Sit on your hands. To do nothing when action is expected. Don't sit on your hands. Help out. They sat on their hands and missed the chance. Get cold feet. To suddenly feel nervous and decide not to do something. He got cold feet before the job interview. She got cold feet and canceled the trip.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!